stay tuned because my updated balcony garden is coming in 3, 2, 1. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, Kathie's Heart, the place where I share all things near and dear to me. If you're new to my channel, please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. If you've been here before and you haven't subscribed, shame on you! Hit that red button and go share it with a friend. Now come on outside with me. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I am so thankful for my small balcony garden. It has enabled me to grow so many things in such an itty-bitty space. It has brought peace to my soul. It has changed my whole outlook on life. It has given me and my grandson something that we can do so that we can spend time together. It has helped my grandson to like vegetables because he was not a vegetable eater, but when he helped plant the plants, it gave him the desire to taste everything. And he likes the cabbage and the green onions and all of that stuff. So I'm here sharing my garden with you to hopefully encourage you. Not only will it put food on your table, but it gives you peace. It brings you true joy. There is nothing like planting a seed in the dirt and seeing something grow out of that dirt that you planted. You treat them plants like your babies. And what gave me the greatest joy, I almost gave up because I planted tomatoes and I planted all kinds of things and none of the fruits were growing. And I'm like, oh no. And God said, let me put a tomato on this plant so this woman can stop. And the next day there was, y'all, and I've never turned back since. So like I said, I'm here today to just encourage you. Start your own garden. It doesn't matter how small space you have, what budget you have. I got all my buckets from the dollar store, okay? So no excuses. I'm praying that we can all do this together. If you like my video, come on back, share, subscribe, press the like button and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.